Hello and welcome to apartment D63. This is a one-bedroom located in La Mesa Verde, 3433 90th Street. You have a large kitchen with lots of countertop space, dishwasher, lots of cabinets. There's a big window in there as well. Coat closet here upon entrance. And the apartment's on the top floor, so you get really nice sunlight. The sun is going down. It's also a garden view apartment. Renovated bathroom with herringbone marble floors, nice large vanity. You have a window in the bathroom as well. Closet over here. Long but narrow bedroom. And the bedroom faces a different direction. But overlooking, wow, you get a little view of the Freedom Tower in the distance. I don't know if you could see that. Kind of absconded in the clouds, but well, thank you for coming along to take a look at this apartment. You can email rentals@Silverstein Collection if you have a question about this or any of our other listings. And we look forward to helping you get a new place soon. Bye-bye.